There is a man running on the beach with torn clothes and dirty face. British soldiers are chasing him with guns and swords. They shout, "Stop! Stop, pirate!" But the man keeps running with a strange smile on his face. This crazy man is Captain Jack Sparrow, and this is just a normal day in his adventurous life. Jack Sparrow is the most famous pirate in the Caribbean Sea. Some people call him mad, some call him genius, but everyone agrees on one thing: he is absolutely unpredictable. Nobody knows what Jack will do next, not even Jack himself. He is a pirate, a captain, a trickster, and most importantly, a free man who never follows anyone's rules. Jack has a very unique appearance that makes him unforgettable. Long dark dreadlocks hang from his head with colorful beads, trinkets, and small bones woven throughout. A faded red bandana sits under his worn tricorn hat, and his eyes are lined with dark kohl makeup that makes him look mysterious and dangerous. Multiple belts cross his chest and waist, holding his sword, pistol, and various stolen treasures. When Jack walks, he sways and staggers like a ship on stormy seas, which makes people think he drinks too much rum. The story of how Jack became a pirate captain is quite interesting and tragic. Many years ago, young Jack Sparrow worked as an honest sailor for the East India Trading Company. He was not a pirate then, just a regular merchant captain doing his job. One day, his boss Lord Cutler Beckett gave him a special assignment to transport important cargo across the ocean. Jack accepted the job without asking questions because he needed the money, but when Jack discovered what the cargo actually was, he became furious and disgusted. The cargo was not gold, spices, or silk as he expected. Instead, the cargo holds were filled with hundreds of innocent people who were being transported as slaves. Jack could not accept this terrible injustice. He made a brave but dangerous decision. He freed all the slaves and let them escape to freedom. Lord Beckett was absolutely furious when he learned about Jack's betrayal. As punishment, Beckett ordered his soldiers to brand Jack's right arm with the letter P, which stands for pirate. After that, Beckett commanded his men to burn Jack's beloved ship and sink it deep into the ocean. Jack watched helplessly as his beautiful ship disappeared beneath the dark waters, taking his dreams and future down with it. Jack was devastated and heartbroken after losing his ship. For any captain, losing a ship is like losing part of your soul. Jack spent many nights thinking about his sunken vessel, unable to sleep or eat properly. But then desperation pushed him to make a terrible decision that would change his destiny forever. In his darkest moment, Jack sought out the most feared creature in all the oceans, Davy Jones. Davy Jones is not human anymore, but a supernatural being who commands the Flying Dutchman, a ghostly ship that can sail above and below the water. Davy Jones controls the seas and collects the souls of dead sailors. Nobody wants to meet Davy Jones because meeting him usually means death or worse. Jack found Davy Jones and proposed a deal that seemed simple at first. Jack asked Davy Jones to raise his sunken ship from the ocean floor and make it sail again. In exchange, Jack promised to serve on the Flying Dutchman for 100 years, but not immediately, only after Jack had captained his own ship for 13 years. Davy Jones agreed to this bargain because he enjoyed collecting souls, and he knew Jack would eventually have to pay the debt. Davy Jones kept his word and used his dark powers to bring Jack's ship back from the depths. However, the ship that emerged from the water looked completely different from before. The wooden hull had been burned and charred completely black by fire and ocean magic. The sails, once white and pristine, were now as black as midnight. The ship looked cursed and